Yo, what up guys, I am back again with another video, and today what I got right now is the FilMHOO. It's a glass screen protector, premium tempered, HD clear, hard, anti-scratch, waterproof, and anti-fingerprint. So this is a 3-pack, does come with a warranty. If you want to contact them, you go to FilMHOO at outlook.com, made in China. Okay. Let's just open this up. Okay, so it says, thank you for choosing FilMHOO. Stop before installing. Please browse our easy installation steps on instructions first. Okay, so we got our wipe. Okay, so we got 3 alcohol wipes, 1 for each screen protector. We got this cleaning cloth. Yes, and we got these stickers. To me, this is probably the most important thing. So, I mean, I still got my lint cloth and extra alcohol if needed. So, it's always nice that they actually include the cloths and the sticker and alcohol wipes. So, let's see. Alright, let's check out the instructions. Whoa. Okay. So it includes a tempered glass screen protector, wet dry wipes, dust absorber, sticker, guide sticker, installation instructions. So first you gotta pre-position the screen protector. You gotta create a hinge by taping 2 pieces of guide sticker. Oh, that's pretty smart. So you gotta clean the screen afterwards. Then to avoid bubbles, take out all the dust using a sticker. Peel off the protective film, and then you stick it on and press the center, and remove tiny bubbles by gently pushing outwards from the center. Okay, sounds good. I've done this about 1,000 times, so. Oh, that's pretty cool. So attention, register your lifetime. Oh, you get a lifetime warranty? That's pretty sick. Okay, it's pretty cool. I'm actually, starting to like this company, even though I haven't used the product yet. So let's see. Okay, so this is the tempered glass screen protector, and basically it should go over like this, or I'm guessing. Okay, so this is the back, this is going to be the front. So it should go like this. Okay, cool. So now for the, in my opinion, the hardest part. That's aligning the screen protector. Alright guys and girls, so this is the final product of the FilMHOO glass screen protector. So here you go, check it out. There are no bubbles in the middle. Now about this phone does have a lot of curves. The entire edges is all curved. That's why it feels like so nice in the hand. So for any manufacturer who's manufacturing a tempered glass screen protector for this phone, people are going to have a hard time installing this and trying not to get that ghosting effect. When I say ghosting effect, I mean air bubbles around the screen. But it doesn't really bother me because when you turn the screen on, you can barely notice it. And one good positive thing about this is that it did mention that the screen protector comes with HD clear technology. So when I turned the phone on and I was just browsing, like the screen looks way better than what it originally was. Something about this screen protector just makes the display look better. This is a 720 display, but it looks so much better than it did before. It just looks everything. It feels like someone just turned up the contrast. Like the text looks a lot more smoother and sharper. Maybe it's some kind of magnifying effect. I'm not exactly sure, but wow. The picture quality, it just looks so much better. So you know what? Overall, I'm happy with this purchase. If you guys do watch this video, FilMHOO, maybe you can, make it easier for us to install this and try to get rid of that ghosting effect. But overall, I'm really happy. You guys gave me everything I needed to get this installation done, from the cloth to the stickers to the alcohol wipes. So, and for $4.99, yeah, I can't really complain that much. So overall, I'm really happy with this purchase. And so far, that's it. If you guys have any questions or comments, hit me up below in the comment section below. That's it for today, guys. Peace.
These nuts. Got him. Got him.